Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this makeup look for my favorite festival Rakhshabandhan. I kept the eye makeup very simple and soft and paired it with dark wine lips. If you wanna know how I created this look, keep on watching. Starting with the face, I'm using this oil from Indulgeo Essentials to moisturize my face. I have a combination skin and a few drops of this oil makes my skin feel soft and smooth. I'm giving my face a good massage with this oil before makeup. After the oil, I'm using LA Girl Orange Corrector on all the pigmented areas of my face. Now I'm blending it nicely with the help of the brush. For the foundation, I'm using this all-day luminous weightless foundation by NARS. The shade is Syracuse. The consistency of this foundation is watery, so I take a little bit on the back of my hand and apply dots of it on all over my face. Now I'm going to blend it with this brush. This foundation dries up little quickly, so I have to blend it little faster. To brighten up my face, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Tan Golden. Applying it on all the areas where I want to brighten up. Now I'm blending it with a brush. To contour my face, I'm using Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Cocoa. Applying it on hollows of my cheeks, on the jawline, perimeter of my forehead, and sides of my nose. Now I'm blending everything with this fluffy brush. Blending the nose with this small flat fluffy brush. I'm using this Mercier translucent powder to set all the highlighted areas of my face. Now using Anastasia powder bronzer in shade Mahogany to set all the contoured areas of my face. For the nose, I'm using Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I'm taking this pink color for my cheeks from this Morphe blush palette. Now I'm using Bobbi brown shimmer brick to highlight all the high points of my face. To fill my eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia brow powder in the shade Ebony. Before filling them up, I always clean it up with the spoolie to make sure that there is no foundation or powder left. Using Anastasia Pro Pencil to highlight and prime my brow bone. Now blending it with the help of this small flat brush. I'm using the same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my eyelids. Blending it nicely with the same flat brush and now setting it with the translucent powder. For the eyes, I'm using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, starting with the light shade to set and highlight my brow bone. Now I'm taking this brown shade and applying it on all over my crease with this fluffy blending brush. I'm taking this dark brown shade and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it with the outer crease. Now I'm taking this champagne shimmer color and applying it on my lids with the help of this flat brush. To intensify the color in the center of the lids, I'm applying the shimmer eyeshadow with my finger. Now I'm using the same Pro pencil from Anastasia on the waterline of my eyes. For the line, I'm using Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. The shade is Trooper Black. To give volume to my upper and lower lashes, I'm using NARS Climax Mascara. For the lips, I'm using NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This shade is called Damned, and this one is my favorite shade from the entire collection. So here is the complete look, guys. Soft eye makeup with dark wine lips, and I find it perfect for this day. I really like the way this look turned out. I hope you guys like it too. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. See you all in my next video. Bye.